Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your Roblox keyboard not working. First, ensure your keyboard is properly connected. Try unplugging and replugging it or testing it on another device. Next, restart the Roblox application entirely and then reboot your computer. This often resolves temporary glitches. Finally, check if your keyboard works outside of Roblox, like in a web browser or text editor, to determine if the issue is game-specific or system-wide. If the problem persists, let's dive into Roblox-specific solutions. Make sure your Roblox client is fully updated to the latest version available. Outdated software can cause unexpected issues. Then, clear your Roblox cache files, which can sometimes become corrupted. If these steps don't work, a complete reinstallation of Roblox might be necessary to ensure all game files are fresh and correctly installed, often resolving stubborn keyboard problems. Moving on, we'll check your system's health. Update your keyboard drivers to their newest versions, as outdated drivers are a common culprit for input issues. Also, ensure your operating system has all pending updates installed, as these often include crucial bug fixes. Lastly, run a thorough malware scan on your computer. Malicious software can interfere with keyboard input, so eliminating this possibility is an important diagnostic step. For more advanced troubleshooting, try connecting a different keyboard to your computer. This helps determine if your original keyboard is faulty. Also, explore Roblox's in-game accessibility settings. Sometimes, specific configurations can affect input. If all else fails, gather details about your issue and contact Roblox support directly. They can provide personalized assistance and guide you through more specific solutions tailored to your situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.